Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best cordless hammer drills that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Makita XPH07Z12 Cordless Hammer Driver Drill. Starting with its light, metal frame that makes it the go-to tool for all hard drilling. It's just a bit more than 6 pounds in weight with the batteries, which makes it not only easier to hold but also convenient to put pressure on during a job. We especially dig the 3-gauge LED battery level indicator that is missing in most high-end models. While most of us do keep a spare battery handy, it is good to know when the current one is getting low on juice, because it also affects the torque. This is important if you are going to start a new task that requires all the might of the drill. Moving on, at number 4, we have the DeWalt 20 volts Max XR Cordless Hammer Drill Kit. That is the power and reliability of the DCD96B, a might cordless hammer drill with a 20 volts brushless motor that will work for generations to come. It consumes low power and increases runtime by at least 57% according to the brand. Perfect for first-time hammer drill buyers. A classic professional tool with a solid build and ergonomic handles. The DCD96B has a 3-mode LED spotlight for working in dark areas, 3-speed transmission for different applications, and nitro-carburized metal ratcheting chucks and comfortable handle grips for use in applications that involve hard materials like steel and stone. At number 3, we have the Milwaukee 270-420M 18 fuel cordless hammer drill. This 18 volts cordless hammer drill is known for its absolutely fantastic supply of torque in the 550 RPM range. Because the drill moves slower, maximum torque is applied to the job in hand. This has a twofold impact. The brushless motor stays for longer, and the batteries have improved shelf life. Since Milwaukee also supports its models with proprietary technology like the RedLink Plus and Red Lithium batteries, its models tend to have higher shelf life than others, which is true for the 2704 Model 2. At number 2, we have the DeWalt 20 volts Max XR Cordless Hammer Drill Kit with Bluetooth. We recommend this DeWalt cordless hammer drill to a professional project manager solely because of its Bluetooth connectivity through DeWalt's proprietary app called Tool Connect. With it, you can keep a track of tool remotely, disable it when not in range, and check the batteries before an operation. Perfect for managers because you don't have to micromanage anymore. Just take a gander every now and then on the smartphone app and you are sorted. And finally, at number 1, we have the Bosch GSB18V535 CB15 18 volts EC brushless cordless hammer drill. Night and dash, DeWalt sometimes lags behind, because the German manufacturer comes up with some of the most obscure features, as you will see in this GSB18V model. The Module app, for instance, is a well-reviewed smartphone tool that engineers can use to customize the settings of the tool remotely. This means the tool can be used in a single setting, without adjustments remotely. Add to that the support of CORE18V Li-ion batteries that last longer than most batteries in the market, and this Bosch model makes for the ideal portable hammer tool. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.